Top 5 Best Manual Blood Pressure Cuff. Number 1. Greater Good's Manual Blood Pressure Monitor Kit. The kit from Greater Good is effective and accurate at the same time when it comes to measuring your blood pressure. Also, this kit has a cuffs of upper arms that causes the accuracy of your blood pressure. However, the cuffs can take time in providing results. This can be a problem if you want fast results. This one offers a lot more than the others in this price range. Overall, you don't need to buy more items for checking your blood pressure. This device has all in one model. Number 2. Midwives Manual Blood Pressure Cuff. The blood pressure cuff from Midwives is used by professionals due to its build quality and accurate readings. Moreover, the user-friendly interface and universal fitting cuff makes it easy to use. Also, the device comes with a leather bag. Due to this, you can carry it anywhere you want and check the readings. Furthermore, you can check the readings of any patient quickly as it provides fast reading and has a universal cuff fit. Furthermore, you can check the readings of any patient quickly as it provides fast reading and has a universal cuff fit. Number 3. Santa Medical Professional Blood Pressure Cuff. The cuff is FDA cleared, so it will give you an idea about its reliability. It can provide fast reading that are accurate most of the time. It's accurate and doesn't make it uncomfortable when applied to the patients. It is easy to use and the valve that releases the air pressure isn't too tight. Furthermore, the manufacturers have tested it 1,000 times. Therefore, you can be sure about the reliability of this product. Number 4. Dixie EMS Blood Pressure and Sprague Stethoscope Kit. The kit from Dixie is great at providing accurate measurement for your blood pressure. Not only this, but the manual cuff can also provide fast and accurate reading at the same time. Hence, it's reliable and fast. It contains a large bag of its own due to a lot of equipment bundled in one. Furthermore, the two valves that releases air are responsible for fast and accurate readings. It's easier to use and you can even control it with one finger. It contains a large display and the dial is simple and easy to read. Number 5. Paramed Professional Manual Blood Pressure Cuff. This device makes it easy for you to keep track of your blood pressure. Moreover, it's easy to use and simply carry as it comes with a bag of its own. Besides, you can use the bag to carry this device or store it in your house. As a result of this strong build quality, the device is durable and long-lasting. To buy product from Amazon, please click on the link at the description. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.